Presenting LG's 6.5 kilograms fully automatic top-loading washing machine in middle free silver color, suitable for families with 3 to 4 members. This fully automatic washing machine comes with LG 3 Smart Motion and Turbo Drum that allows the movement of the drum in the opposite direction of the pulsator for an efficient, tangle-free wash action that removes all kinds of stains. With the Punch Plus 3 technology, the washing machine creates water streams in vertical direction, which mixes laundry up and down repeatedly for even washing results. The LG washing machine with smart inverter technology uses less electricity and reduces noise and vibration with less wear and tear. This top-loading washing machine features a rust-proof stainless steel drum that makes it more durable. It also comes with a corrosion-resistant motor that provides a long motor life. The washing machine comes with 8 wash programs that are suited for different fabrics. The Tub Clean feature in the machine sterilizes both inner and outer tub, keeping it more hygienic. This washing machine comes with auto restart function that helps the machine to start from the same place where it had stopped due to power failure. It also comes with smart diagnosis feature that self-detects the problem for a quicker resolution. This washing machine comes with a brand warranty of 2 years on product and 10 years on motor. You can avail the EMI or no-cost EMI option. You can also pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. You can schedule the delivery of this product at a day and time of your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with the brand for installing your product within 48 hours of delivery. In case you receive the product in a condition that is damaged or defective, we offer a free 10-day return replacement policy. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options, and other offers, visit the product detail page.